Ever wondered how to navigate the Binance platform? Today, we'll demystify it for you. Welcome to the world of Binance, a leading name in the cryptocurrency arena. With a strong global presence spanning over 100 countries, Binance has revolutionized the way we trade cryptocurrencies. Think of Binance as a vast digital marketplace bustling with activity, where cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and thousands more are bought, sold, and stored. It's a platform that opens the door to the intriguing world of digital assets. Binance is more than just a trading platform. It offers a range of services, from spot trading, futures markets, to an integrated wallet for secure storage. Each feature is designed to provide you with an all-encompassing, seamless trading experience. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting your journey in the dynamic world of cryptocurrencies, Binance is a trusted companion to help you navigate these digital waters. So let's dive in and explore the Binance platform. When you first log into Binance, you land on the Home tab. The Home tab is much like the command center of a spaceship. It's where you get an overview of what's happening, not just on your account, but in the entire universe of Binance. It's a dynamic space, constantly updated, always providing you with fresh, relevant information. Let's take a closer look at what the Home tab offers. The first thing you'll notice is the news feed. This is where you'll find the latest news and updates from the world of cryptocurrency. It's a great way to keep your finger on the pulse of the market. You'll see news about new coin listings, regulatory updates, and significant market movements. Next up, we have coin prices. This is a real-time snapshot of how different cryptocurrencies are performing. The list of coins is extensive, including stalwarts like Bitcoin and Ethereum, and newer, promising ones like Polkadot and Cardano. Each coin's current price, percentage change in the last 24 hours, and market cap are displayed. Then there are the market trends. This feature offers a deeper dive into the performance of the market. It shows the top gainers and losers, the most traded coins, and the market's overall sentiment. It's a helpful tool for spotting patterns and making informed trading decisions. The Home tab also has a function that many overlook: the search bar. You can use it to quickly find a specific coin or market. Just type in what you're looking for, and voila, you'll be taken straight to it. Finally, there's the announcements section. This is where Binance communicates directly with its users. It's a good idea to check this section regularly to stay informed about any changes or upgrades to the platform. The Home tab is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, making it easy for you to stay informed and make the best trading decisions possible. The Home tab is your dashboard, your window into the world of Binance. Now let's move on to the Markets tab. This is where the magic really happens, folks. The Markets tab is like the buzzing floor of a virtual Wall Street, displaying a vast array of cryptocurrencies, their current prices, and trading volume. Imagine it as a bustling bazaar filled with diverse stalls, each representing a different cryptocurrency. Just like how you'd navigate through a crowded marketplace, you'll find your way around this digital one. Each cryptocurrency is listed with its ticker symbol, like BTC for Bitcoin or ETH for Ethereum. Beside each ticker, you'll see the current price of that cryptocurrency in real time. This is the heartbeat of the market, pulsing with the rhythm of global supply and demand. Now, you might be thinking, there are thousands of cryptocurrencies, how do I find the one I'm interested in? Well, that's where the search function comes in handy. Simply type in the name or ticker symbol of the cryptocurrency you're looking for and voila, it pops up on your screen. But there's more. Each cryptocurrency also has its trading volume displayed. This is the total number of that particular cryptocurrency that's been traded in the last 24 hours. High trading volumes can often indicate a high level of interest in a cryptocurrency, while low volumes may mean the opposite. The Markets tab isn't just about keeping tabs on your favorite cryptos, it's also about discovery. With new cryptocurrencies being added all the time, this is your chance to explore and perhaps find your next big investment. Remember, in this vast digital marketplace, information is power. The more you understand how to navigate and interpret the data in the Markets tab, the better equipped you'll be to make informed trading decisions. So, whether you're checking in on a beloved crypto or searching for a new one, the Markets tab is your reliable guide, providing you with a comprehensive overview of the cryptocurrency landscape. The Markets tab is where you keep track of your favorite cryptos and discover new ones. So go ahead, dive in and start exploring. Who knows what opportunities you might find? Scene script. Ready to trade? Let's explore the Trades tab. The Trades tab is where the magic happens. Here you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies. It might seem a little intimidating at first, but don't worry, we're going to break it down for you. First, let's talk about the 3 types of orders you can place: limit, market, and stop limit orders. Understanding these is crucial to your trading journey. A limit order is when you set a specific price at which you want to buy or sell a crypto. The trade will only execute when the market price hits your set limit. This is great if you're not in a hurry and want to buy or sell at a particular price point. On the other hand, a market order is a fast-track ticket to buying or selling. When you place a market order, you're buying or selling at the best available current market price. This is ideal if you want to make a quick trade and aren't too concerned about getting the absolute best price. Finally, we have the stop limit order. This is a bit more advanced, but comes in handy for managing risks. Essentially, you set 2 prices, a stop price and a limit price. When the market hits your stop price, a limit order is automatically placed at your limit price. This allows you to have a degree of control over potential losses or secure profits when you're not actively watching the market. Remember, each strategy has its advantages and trade-offs. It's all about figuring out which one aligns best with your trading goals and risk tolerance. One more tip, don't forget to review your orders before confirming. You wouldn't want to buy when you meant to sell or vice versa. That's it, you now know how to trade cryptos on Binance. Let's take a sneak peek into the future with the Futures tab. Now, futures trading is a fascinating world. It's a financial agreement where you agree to buy or sell a particular asset, like a cryptocurrency, at a predetermined price at a specified time in the future. Think of it as making a reservation for a price you like today, for a transaction that will happen tomorrow. But futures trading is not just about predictions, it's also about strategy. You can use it to hedge against price fluctuations, to speculate on the direction of prices, or even to access assets that are hard to trade in the spot market. Now, here's the thing about futures trading. It can offer significant returns, but it also comes with substantial risks. With futures, you're essentially betting on the future price of an asset. If your predictions are off, you could face substantial losses. So, is futures trading for you? Well, that depends on your risk tolerance, your understanding of the market, and your trading strategy. It's essential to do your homework, understand the risks involved, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Futures trading can be an exciting world to explore. It's like having a crystal ball that lets you peek into the future of the market. But remember, just like any form of trading, it's not a guaranteed path to riches. Futures trading can be exciting, but remember, it's not for everyone. Lastly, let's discuss the Wallets tab. This is where your funds are stored and managed in Binance. It's like your personal bank, but for cryptocurrencies. You can deposit, withdraw, and transfer funds with ease. Firstly, to deposit funds, click on the deposit option. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to deposit, copy the deposit address, and paste it into the withdrawal page of the platform you're sending the funds from. Remember, you should only send the specific type of cryptocurrency to the address. For example, only Bitcoin should be sent to a Bitcoin address. Now, to withdraw, you'll also click on the Withdraw option. Here, you'll enter the recipient's wallet address, select the cryptocurrency, and enter the amount you want to withdraw. Be sure to double-check the details before confirming. Transferring funds within Binance is straightforward. Choose Transfer and select the type of funds you want to move and the destination wallet. This feature is handy when you want to move funds between your spot wallet and futures wallet, for example. But what exactly is a cryptocurrency wallet? In simple terms, it's a digital wallet where you store your cryptocurrencies. It's secured with cryptographic keys, a public key, which is like your bank account number, and a private key, which is like your PIN. Remember, security is critical when handling your wallets. Keep your keys private and always make sure you're on the correct Binance site before entering any information. The Wallets tab is your personal bank within Binance. And there you have it, a quick guide to navigating Binance. We've journeyed through the Home tab, the central hub of your trading activities. From there, we sailed through the sea of market options, discovering a world of buying and selling opportunities. Next, we dove into the nitty-gritty of making trades, understanding how to buy low and sell high. We then ventured into the future, exploring the realm of future trades. Finally, we secured our treasures in the vault of wallets, learning how to manage our digital assets with care and caution. In this vast ocean of cryptocurrency trading, Binance stands as a beacon of light, guiding beginners towards their first successful trade and beyond. So, whether you're looking to dip your toes or dive headfirst into the world of crypto, remember, Binance is the platform for you. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Stay tuned for more informative content.